I'm at WeDo's very impressive stand here at the Mobile World Congress, and I'm with their Vice President of Product Development. João, thank you for taking some time with me today. Now, what I was interested to talk about is you're known for being in the revenue assurance space as an organization, certainly the leader in that space. But we see you now a lot out there in the fraud space as well. Could you tell me what the main drivers are for that?
I mean, that's true. We are very well known in revenue assurance, but where we are the market leaders, but we have also developed a new fraud management solution. And we have seen with the latest product release lots of traction, and we have been able to win many customer references in that area.
Okay, and what's your approach to that marketplace?
I think it would be the realization of several factors. We realize that with digital services and all IP networks, there's really this wave of disruptive innovation where the market players have to cope with new partners, more complex offers, lots of competition. And that gives rise of a whole set of new fraud threats that the traditional systems no longer are able to cope effectively. And that opens the door for an innovative product on the fraud area, like WeDo Technologies solution for fraud management.
In terms of the competitive landscape out there, what's making you unique? What's making operators talk to you?
You see, the operators, and in fact not just in telecom industry, but in other high-tech industries, they were caught in the eye of this perfect storm, triggered by the digitalization, the connection of everything, cloud, big data technologies, and that creates an awesome environment for innovation, but unhappily also for many new vulnerabilities of technologies that are not yet mature. And so the traditional rules-based detection approach is no longer per se alone effective. So recognizing that, we have added advanced analytics, and we combine advanced analytics and predictive models with rules-based so that we can detect also zero-day fraud threats. We can see emerging fraud threats coming even before they are codified in very well-established business detection rules. And that together with a fully integrated environment where we really empower the analysts to cope with not only the current, but the new emerging threats.
Where do you see this going then over the next 12 months in terms of your own market positioning and strategy?
You see, I mean, we are in such a dynamic market that it's really difficult to predict the future. So what we really want with our fraud management solution, and it is flexible and power enough to be able to accommodate the new scenarios and the new fraud threats that really nobody at this time knows what they will be. So we opted for a fully integrated, all-in-one product that is able to collect data, to monitor, analyze, discover, and act upon. And it's very flexible so that it can predict, it can identify new fraud threats, and then be able to provide to the analysts a way to cope with them. Okay? So I think it's in the fraud business, more important than knowing what will happen is really to be prepared, to be flexible and agile, to cope with whatever comes through.
Okay, well, it sounds like an exciting year ahead. I hope you have a great show, and look forward to seeing how it rolls out.
Thank you very much.